As you can see, we got some serious wind coming this afternoon here. And the hummingbirds are trying to get something to drink here before it gets too bad. They're doing their dangest to get on there. Pretty cool. Well, it won't be long and I'll be leaving this area. Slowly working my way back to Michigan. It's almost mid-March. I want to be back in the UP by mid-April, maybe the end of April. But for now, I'm trying to enjoy it out here. It was beautiful this morning. I did a few chores around the house and that. Did my dishes, took a bath, cleaned my floors. Now we got some serious wind, so I guess it's watch a movie time or just watch the hummingbirds. Heck yeah. So, yeah, thanks for coming along and enjoying what I got going out here. That's why I'm Michigan Mills. I'm out here making memories. Thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoy this short little video. These poor guys. That's funny. Alright, have a good one, guys. I'll leave you with one more little clip of the birds here. They're trying.